All right, your first step, just pull this right off. Open up your oil cap right here. It tells you the type of oil you're going to use. Next, you're going to get your oil filter right here. You need a 24mm or oil filter cap for that. Once you got the filter off, just pull it apart. Just like that. You got an O-ring right here. Next, you want to get up under it. You're looking for this plug right here. Make sure you got a drain pan set up. Yeah. You need a 13mm. Next, get your new filter. Open it up. You're gonna have a new filter and a new gasket. Take your cap, slide the new gasket on. Your finger in some new oil. Just do a little loop around it. It'll help it seal better. Next, take your filter, put the pointed end in, click it in. Next, we're going to put the cap back in. You can see right there it says to torque down to 25 Newton meters. I don't have 1/2 inch torque wrench, so I'm just going to stick it back in there without it. Just get it snug. You don't want it too tight because you don't want to mess up that gasket. Next thing, once it's done dripping, you're going to take your cap, your little plug, twist it back in there. If you are going to tighten it up to spec, it's 20 foot-pounds. Again, I don't have a torque wrench, too lazy to use it. So just get it snug, and then wipe it up after. From here, you're going to just need to add the oil right here in the cap that we took off to begin with. Gonna put in 6 quarts. Now we want to start it up and just let it turn over and run for just a couple minutes, or really just a couple seconds. Cut it off. Now we're at an actual 6 quarts, and what do you know, we're good to go. Alright, so to reset the oil light, make sure it's in park, go to the key, 1, 2. From there, take your foot to the gas pedal, push it down to the ground 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Turn it back off. To turn it back on, the oil change light's gone.